we got some brand new fire control freaks. We're gonna unbox them and throw them on a controller, test them out in this video. Remember, if you want to pick up a pair of these brand new bad boys yourself or anything on KontrolFreek, you can use the code and link that's appearing on the screen right now. It'll also be linked down below in the description and the pinned comment. We're just gonna jump right into this, and these packages are always super, actually this one's actually not that hard to open up. And inside we have, bam, and that's it. We can toss this to the side now. So yes, the Call of Duty Vanguard control freaks are now available, and they look like they're going to be some actually pretty good one. And oh, that's some bonus in-game content side. I actually didn't know that. That'll be interesting to find out. But first, if you order the first however many, you know, bundles of these control freaks they have to give out, you'll get this free little control freak. I believe this is a keychain. And this one actually is not that bad. Ooh, whoa, what's this black stuff on my hands? Sorry for the cut. I had to go wash my hands real quick. I think I Lysol down that package and it still had some of the residue left on it, which is what you were seeing there. But yeah, you'll get this control freak, like Vanguard themed keychain, which is nice. You can put on the stuff as your control freak Call of Duty on the back. And it's a pretty nice gift. Actually, one of my favorite ones that they've thrown in so far. We'll set that to the side and take a look at our bad boys right here. So Call of Duty Vanguard Thumbsticks. These guys, I believe they are the high rise. I thought I told you the millimeters on the back. I guess not. We'll compare them to other control freaks in a second. But yeah, that's the packaging. I'm gonna be careful ripping this open because it says there's contact. You can see there's a little card right in there. So be careful to rip. Ooh, I almost ripped it. We gotta be careful here. All right, so here is the card, and what's this give you? It gives you, I don't know. Oh, okay. I'm not sure why they didn't show this more on their website, but you get this code and it gives you a KontrolFreek themed Lucky Chat weapon charm to use in Vanguard, I'm gonna assume in Warzone when that gets integrated. That's actually the coolest bonus in-game content they've done so far. So that's a nice surprise. This code I obviously just redeemed to see what it is, so you're not gonna be able to redeem that, so don't get your hopes up. But that's cool. So we'll set that to the side and take a look at the actual control freaks right here. Take these out, or this casing out, and these are what these look like. You got the V on the top with little textured grips. Give you a bit of a closer look of them here. These do appear to have a slight concaveness to them, which I like. I really like concave thumbsticks. I can't stand the ones that are like flat. Like I think the Warzone ones are actually flat, and I realized over time they kind of messed with my aim. So I'm glad to see these are actually concave. But now comes the time to throw it on the controller. I got the Galaxy and the Omnis, rocking those right now on the Elite. Actually, hold up. Bring in my broken white controller. I forgot this shows up better on camera and thumbnail, so I'm gonna use these. So we'll take these off simply like that. You'll notice there is a, pull my focus here, there is a fourth prong on these control freaks, and every control freak moving forward will have a fourth prong. So they'll stay on your controller better and they won't slip as much. But so I actually want to, if you care about lining the top of these up, you'll definitely want to make sure you have them lined up when you throw these on at the beginning, because they're, oh, these ones actually aren't as, okay. Wait, hold up. I might be changing my thoughts here. So it turns out, I don't know if it's just this pair or they changed their design, but these actually feel like older control freaks. You can actually rotate them, and they're not super hard to pull off. The other four-prong ones, you had to like really like pull them like this to actually get them off. So maybe they thought that was too secure and they changed the design, or it could just be this one. I don't know. And they feel, I forgot this. Right analog stick is broken. It doesn't actually push in. That's going to be annoying, but we'll just mainly do my left one here. They feel like control freaks. There is a little bit of texture on here with these little texture design things, but they don't hurt your thumb. They're pretty decent surface texture. I mean, surface circumference, radius, whatever you want to call them. They're like decently sized. They're a little bit bigger than the base thumbstick for at least the Xbox controller, and I am liking them. I don't know, is that me right there in the reflection? I don't know. Can I see myself? See this weird setup there? You can kind of see me there. I'm straddling this. All right, whatever. Last thing I want to do here is do a little height test. These are actually like legit the same size. I'll just hold them side by side. This isn't as scientific, but these are the Galaxies, and these are actually like my preferred height. And you can see they're pretty much the exact same size, which is good. Any higher than this, I've discovered that I don't really like it. It kind of hampers my aim. So these are like your standard KontrolFreek Ultra size thumbsticks, if you guys are familiar with those. A perfect size for your right thumbstick to improve your aim. So I will throw this back on here, and that, my friends, are the KontrolFreek Vanguard. You get a nice, sleek looking pair of thumbsticks and this cool charm if you pull, or I guess this is the keychain if you order the first however many orders, and you get a in-game weapon charm for any order that is made that I'll throw up on the screen right now for a reminder. That is a pretty good package if you ask me. So if you guys want to pick up these Vanguards or any other KontrolFreeks on their site, you saw they have a whole bunch of other different ones. You can get a discount with my code that is showing up on the screen right now, or it will be linked down below in the description and the pinned comments. That'll get you 10% off any order, and it helps support the channel. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. I'll try to answer them, but make sure you hit that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. We're going to be posting tons of Call of Duty Vanguard over the next year, pretty much. And that's it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.